Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful decoration for Valentine's Day, for wedding anniversary or even for your loved one's birthday. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. And now without any further ado, let's start with the video. So for this decoration, you mainly need some streamers and I have gone for red, pink and white. So these are some of the streamers that I have saved from my previous decorations, and I had stored them by wrapping and tying them in between places so I could use them for a future decoration as well. So first measure the height from the floor to the ceiling, add about 4 to 6 inches and then cut the streamers to that length. And the easiest way to do this would be to roll them out on the floor, cut them to the required length and then roll them in the opposite direction and cut them, and do this till you have your required number of streamers. So I ended up using 16 strips of red streamers, 16 strips of pink streamers and 8 strips of white streamers. Once the streamers are cut and ready, I'm going to be sticking sellotape on one end of the streamers. This step is optional, but I really feel that it gives the streamer a little bit of sturdiness and strength while handling them, and especially if you want to store them and use it for another decoration. In that case, it would be really helpful. Next, with the help of paper tape, I have marked out a circle of 5 feet in diameter. Also make sure to mark the circle leaving 1 feet away from the wall. Tie a small piece of stone or something similar to a string or a thread, and we will use this to mark the center which we marked on the floor, and we will transfer this to the ceiling. Mark the center with a piece of chalk or a pencil. At the center that we just marked, I will be fixing this pin. So I do get a lot of questions as to how I fix these kind of pins on the walls or on the ceiling. So the kind of walls and ceiling that I have are wood based in the area that I live. If your walls and ceiling is of brick or concrete, then you can go for command hooks and that would work just fine. What I just did was tied a string to this pin and measured out half of 5 feet, which was the diameter of the circle. So that's 2.5 feet or 30 inches. Cut the string to that length and fix the pin at the center point marked on the ceiling. Before you start sticking the streamers to the ceiling, it would be really helpful to have them ready on the chair, and I will be using the same chair to climb and then start attaching these streamers to the ceiling. So what you need to do is take the string that we fixed at the center, and at the end of the string is where you are going to fix your streamers. I have used Scotch tape to fix the streamers to the ceiling. After fixing a couple of streamers, I realized the fastest way to do this would be to first attach the Scotch tape to the streamer, and with the string as a guidance, fix the streamer in place. The color order that I have followed is first red, then pink and single white, then again pink and red. So these 5 streamers, I repeated it all throughout, and at the end of it I had about 8 sets, so that makes it about 40 strings of streamers. After fixing all of your streamers to the ceiling, take the same 5 set of streamers, which is red, pink, white, pink, red, and tie it with a piece of yarn or any thread. Repeat this step with all the 8 sets. Trim the excess length of the streamers, although leave a little bit extra so that it looks nice. This is what it is going to look like. So that was one way to do it. Another variation of this is where you take 10 streamers at a time and tie them together. So that way at the end of it you have just 4 sets. Pull the streamers very slightly and gently to loosen it up a little bit and get a curve shape. And this is how the second variation is going to look like. I will also be making a small little center table. For this I am using an old cardboard box and wrapping it with this golden paper. And for seating I've laid out a quilt. Try to make it into a circular shape as much as possible and cover it with a sheet of your choice. This seating will make the space more usable and cozy. Next, I'm blowing some balloons, again in the same colors red, white and pink. I've used an electric balloon pump. It's really helpful and makes your job a lot easier. I will leave a link to this in the description box below. Now we are going to fix these balloons to the floor, and to do this I'm using sellotape. Turn it to the back on the smooth side and fold it backwards and make it like a double tape. Fix these to the bottom of the balloons and stick them to the floor. It would be really helpful if you make these double-sided tape beforehand and have them ready. Fix all the balloons around in a circle. I hung this DIY paper hat chandelier on the ceiling. If you would like to make something like this, then please check my video. The link will be in the description box. And for the final additions, I'm placing the table that we made along with this DIY centerpiece which I made in my previous video. I've made 5 really cute and easy DIY decorations in that video, so if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out that video. Place some cushions to make it feel more cozy and comfortable. And finally add some string lights around the balloons and some lights on the center table. And this decoration is all ready for you to surprise your loved ones. I'm sure they're going to love it. So friends, that's it for today's video. I really hope you all love this decoration. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Coffee Curves and click the little bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you for all the love and support. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.